Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So then let's head over to Linux VM to start. We can log in to the bWAPP bug and log in. And so now we choose the module, what we are going to do in this video. Yes, strong sessions. This is the last bug in A2 series. Hack. And we can get the cookie. Of course, the cookie belongs to user B. And then we can, maybe I can copy this cookie. This is very similar to the previous bug, okay? And we can click this, and then welcome B. This is top security page, but not strong session. So now let me open. In the previous video we have already created a new user, test 11. We can use that user in this video. We can open new private window. Oh, I think because private window, in the private window I cannot use bWAPP. So let me do this way. We can, I think we can go close up and log out and log in as new user. You can, create it, log in as, B to create a new user. I've already done that before. So now we can log in and go to this one, cookies. And now let me turn on Foxy Proxy and launch bWAPP. And enable intercept option. Next, we can open new private window and log in. Oh, sorry. Forward. Let me access. bWAPP as user B bug and select this one, and here we can get the cookie. This cookie belongs to B, so how about we copy this cookie and then go to this user. We can click. Right now, the user test 11 access at this page. And here we can change this cookie with this one. This belongs to B, okay, or another user. Let me forward the request. The B, right? Welcome B. So we successfully, manipulate or hijack the session of victim. I think that's pretty much it. And I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.